Hey, I love you. I say it simply, but it carries the weight of my whole soul. Every beat of my heart whispers it. Every thought of you breathes it. I love you in the quiet moments when silence between us feels like poetry. I love you in the laughter. I love you when you are near. Your presence coming me like home, and I love you when you are far, because even distance can't dim the flame we have lit in me. Hey, I love you for the way you see me, even in my flaws, and still choose me, for the way your smile turns even the hardest days soft, and for the way your touch reminds me I am never alone. You are my forever, my light, my joy, my anchor, my fire. With you, I have found not just love, but the truest form of life, a partnership, a home, a soul entwined with mine. So let me say it again, my darling. In the simplest words I know. Hey, I love you today, tomorrow, always, endlessly. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.